Okay, what is up? Welcome to this video. Welcome to another episode right here on IOTA General Software Engineering Concepts playlist. In this video, we are going to look at what is the coverage model in Python. So coverage.py actually measures parts of your Python code executing during tests and which remain untested. It actually tracks line execution to reveal untested code parts, helping developers build more thorough test suites. It was developed by Ned Batchelder in 2004. It's now the standard Python coverage tool with wide testing framework integration. So this is how to use the coverage.py and some key features of it. So you can try this over here in your command line, your terminal, command line interface. Okay, this is how to install pip installed coverage, and then coverage run, and then your script that you have created. You generate a report using this syntax in the command line, okay, in the terminal. So some advanced features of this include the branch coverage with under dash dash branch flag, and then the configuration via the cover get files. Okay, we also have the sub processes and concurrency support, and then we also have exclusion patterns for boilerplate code as an advanced feature of coverage.py. So looking at this, we have 95% coverage goal. It was also released in 2004, and it has two coverage types: a track statement and branch coverage for thorough analysis. So thank you for watching this video. Let's move on to the next video.